So y'all know I normally just come on here and I do the reselling and I show y'all everything that I buy from Goodwills and the how much I spend and how much I plan on selling it for, or what I have to do to make the product, make the money that I want to make off of it in order for me to make a profit. But now I just want to speak on anyone out there that basically have a job right now. If you're working for somebody, like, I believe now is the opportunity for you to sit here and reflect on what are your talents, or what do you love to do outside of your job. Or if your job is something that you love to do, see if you can do it on your own or try to attempt to do it on your own. Because whenever you're working for a company, they have the power in their hand to have you go forward and be this big person for their company, or they can be the person that also let you go and then you have to rebuild or try to figure out how to restart your life in another field or another career, what have you. So what I want to say now is, like, this is the time for you to sit here and reflect on your life. Think about what you can do and what you should do in the future, in order to make sure whenever you come across a situation where you might be in jeopardy of losing your job, or it could be cutbacks or whatever's going on at the company or wherever you're working at, that you will be ready and you'll be suited to move on and be able to move forward and not have to deal with what can I do, what should I do, what am I going to do now that I don't have a job, or do I want to go back and work for somebody because of what I've just went through by losing my job. Because a lot of people, they could feel like they're doing so well and then all of a sudden they lose their job, and it's like when you go to another company, it's like you're on eggshells every single second, because if you do something wrong, you feel like your job is going to be threatened just because you did something wrong and just because of what you have previously experienced. So this video is basically, for people out there. If you're actually out there and you have a job right now, you love your job, that's cool. But keep in back of your mind that your job is your job for right now. It's no cut cards. If somebody want to get rid of you, they'll get rid of you. If they don't want you to be there no more, they don't want you to be there no more. And at the end of the day, just keep everything straight and forward inside yourself, because you have to appease yourself, make yourself happy. And if a company decides to let you go, you have to make these decisions in your life on what you want to do next. They could sit up there and they can tell you that, I appreciate everything you have done and all that. But at the end of the day, that doesn't pay your future bills. Your future bills going to have to come through your hard work and your dedication. So what I tell y'all right now, just to motivate yourself, learn something new every day, learn something that you never thought about learning, and just be passionate about something other than where you work at. Because we all, me, myself, I will admit to it, I work at my job and I do so much at my job that sometimes I forget that it's a bigger picture out there. I don't want to work for someone the rest of my life. So this whole year, I've been telling you from the beginning of some of my first videos that I want to step outside of my work and I want to put more energy into establishing my own situation, which I've been doing this whole year. And we're sitting on February right now, so I've been consistently doing it. So the thing that I want to tell everybody to do, make sure that you have something that you can fall back on. Companies are not there to guarantee you anything. You have to guarantee yourself that you would never let yourself down, even if a company lets you down. That's all I have to say. Thank y'all.